Stop wasting money on DIY. Masisira lang ang skin mo. Tamang edukasyon ang kailangan mo. Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. I'm bridging science and nature for your skin. Ang skin mo parang sarili mong ecosystem yan. Kaya hindi pwede ang generic na formula. You need to understand skin biology. How dry, oily, or acne-prone skin responds sa bawat ingredients. Like cleanser, parang professional housekeeper yan. Nililinis ang paligid pero hindi tinatapon ng mga importanteng gamit. Meaning, it cleanses without stripping the natural oils. Kaya sa training na to, matututunan mo ang science para hindi na generic DIY ang products mo. This is your shortcut mga future beauty entrepreneurs at serious DIYers. Dahil in 2 days, you don't need to waste years of failed formulas at unsafe DIY trials. Ang kailangan mo, real skills. From pagpili ng ingredients, pH balancing, hanggang stability testing. At meron pa, malalaman mo din kung paano magkaroon ng income. Tuturuan kita ng totoong cosmetic business. Sa 2-day professional hands-on training na to, ituturo ko sa iyo ang exact steps to formulate. Then gagawa ka mismo ng sarili mong cream, serum, toner, lotion, at cleanser with my full guidance. It will be on November 14 and 15. Avail our 40% discount only until October 20. Type formulation in the comments below to secure your spot.